A bright coffee shop buzzes with chatter. Our main character, Alex, sits sipping coffee, glancing nervously at their phone. The screen flashes. Alarm, vibrate only. Alex's eyes widen. They feel nothing. The phone trembles quietly beside a mountain of mugs. Baristas shout, milk froths, espresso machines hiss. Alex picks up the phone, shakes it, holds it to their ear. Nothing. Suddenly, everyone's devices ping loudly for orders, but Alex's alarm remains a silent ninja. Punchline. Alex sighs. Guess I'll just live here now, as the day slips away unnoticed.